Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off background app refresh for apps on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are saying that your battery is draining a lot and also your data is also draining, so if you want to save your data and battery life, then you there is option available because all the apps on iPhone use background battery life and data so that they can refresh themselves when you are connected to a Wi-Fi or internet connection. So if you want to turn this off, then you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to first of all check whether which of the app is using a lot of battery and data. So you have to look for that app, and if you want to close that app so that it doesn't use your battery while in the background, so that you can simply turn off that background app refresh. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and after that you have to go to general. So in general, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you find the background app refresh. So here you can simply find all of the apps which use background app refresh. So if you want to turn off the background app refresh for a specific app, then you can simply turn off that toggle. And after that, as you turn off the toggle, that app will not be able to use your data and battery in the background, so that your battery life may increase, and you can also save your data and battery while working with that app. So in this way, you can simply turn off that toggle to turn off all apps background refresh. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.